Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now we are in the car on the way to Atlanta to celebrate my birthday, which was yesterday. And I don't like waking up early in the morning to do my makeup, so I thought I would do it in the car while Brandy's driving. So Brandy's right here. I thought this would be kind of like a cool challenge slash tutorial slash get ready with me slash whatever of me getting ready in the car. This is gonna happen a lot. I don't want to spend a lot of time doing my makeup because it's in the car, so I'm not in like an ideal situation. So we'll see how quickly I can do it and how well it ends up looking, because it actually has to look good, because we're going to lunch, or lunch or dinner, whatever, at Pot City Market, and then we're going out later, so I need to have a look that works for daytime and nighttime. So we'll see how this goes. And oh yeah, I brought all my brushes with me in their little containers because I didn't want to have to take individual brushes. But okay, here goes. I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. I'm going to be using, oh my gosh, it looks so cool on camera in the sunlight. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette, and it's pretty great. So I don't know what look I'm going to do with it, but something will happen and we'll see how this goes. I have moisturizer on my face and that's about it, and everything else will be doing here. Okay, cool. Have you ever seen me do my makeup? No. So I guess I'll talk through it and you can learn. Yeah. Okay, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape as my eyeshadow base. You can use an eyeshadow primer, but I like concealer. They're going in the bottom. If you want to know what just happened, I just dropped all my eyeshadow brushes in the little black hole between the seat and the, what is this called, dashboard? Shoot.
We might never find this.
Well, I still have a couple of brushes, so I'll just put my brushes here. That might be better.
We can move the seat back and look for it.
Yeah, we can do it later though. I don't think, like, I have brushes that'll work here, so it's fine. Okay, I think I'm going to use Supreme in that area. I'm going to use the shade Pinker. It's like a little darker in the crease area. Because it's like sparkly a little bit. I haven't like washed any of my brushes. I don't think I've done a blue makeup look or anything. Because last weekend I think I did pink too. Yeah. So hopefully. Blends so well. Do you see that? Like, I don't want to distract you. It's like
It does look good.
That's so good. The rest of my face looks tragic. Okay, I think I'm gonna use Sam. It's kind of like a glitter, a pressed glitter. I could be wrong. I forgot what Jackie said about this palette. I'm gonna put that on the lid. And I haven't washed this brush, so I don't know what other colors are coming off of it. Oh, I have no idea how I'm gonna do eyeliner. I can go without eyeliner, but I feel like I look old. I'm going back in with the Supreme color just to blend everything in. I thought I would have to go in with more colors, but I think it looks, I only used 3 colors and I feel like it looks fine. I'm taking a huge risk here, but I'm going to try to put eyeliner on my top lid. If this doesn't work, I'm going to have to remove this. Okay, that was not straight. I mean, I don't think it'll be noticeable. Probably not, but I can see it. You know, it might be one of those things where I end up fixing it when I end to see those things. Yeah. Eyeliner's not even, but we're just gonna deal with that. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'll come back to the lower lash after I'm done with that. I'm going to use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It is very expensive, so I don't know if it's worth the price. So I got the mini version, and the mini version itself cost 20 bucks. Can you believe it? But I think it'll last me a long time because this is all I've used since like February or March, whenever I bought it. As y'all can tell by my face, I am breaking out, and I personally don't think you should be wearing makeup when you're breaking out, but I can't look ugly today, so gotta do what I gotta do and cover up the ugliness. So many people on Instagram, I don't know if you skip through my story, it's fine, but on my second Instagram account I was talking about how I was breaking out, and a couple of people actually messaged me with solutions.
Oh, really?
Yeah, someone, like this one girl, she's a doctor, and she said from like a derm perspective, she literally typed up a paragraph of what I should do and was telling me what cleanser to buy, and then just do that for a little bit, and then if that doesn't work out, and it wasn't like pricey stuff, so it was like Cetaphil.
Yeah.
So
Cetaphil's good.
yeah, so I might go and do that. But the thing is, I think it's stress. I think because I don't know, my family's stress is like I'm taking it on myself because it's literally since I moved back to Auburn. Okay, now I'm going to use the Live Tinted Hue Stick in the shade Origin, and I'm going to use this to color correct under my eyes because they're like kind of bluish, purplish looking, and this will cancel that out.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm using chart shape tape under my eyes. I'm going to do one eye at a time because chart shape tape is really dry. Oh yeah, this concealer is expensive, but I've been using it for over a year and I still have so much left. I got it on sale for like 20 something bucks.
Oh, that's good. Isn't it like $40?
It's like, I think 30 something. Either way, it's expensive. 20 is expensive too. The difference between this eye and that eye.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to also use Tarte Shape Tape to spot conceal and cover up all my ugliness. Stop looking bad in the camera, so the camera doesn't lie. Now I'm going to take my Beauty Bakery setting powder in, I think, the shade Yellow. This is like my favorite setting powder of all times, and I'm going to use this to bake under my eyes to set all the concealer and everything. While this is all baking, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I wanted to use the Benefit pencil, but I can't find it. I think it went in the black hole. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. brow pencil. This is really good, by the way, for only $2. There's nothing really much to fill in, it's just making them look even. Life hack, well, I don't know if it's a life hack, but I feel like the mirror lies, so I always check the camera to make sure that my eyebrows are even. And I think they're even. This one's a little, it's even enough. Now I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to wipe off all this powder. I'm going to go ahead and finish the eyes. I think I'm going to take Pinker and Credit. Yeah, those two colors, and smoke that on my lower lash line. I can never think of the words. Okay, I ended up just using Pinker here, and now and now I'm going to use Credit more closer to the waterline. color trust issues for watching. Trust issues in the inner corner for my inner corner highlight. I think I put too much in the inner corner. Maybe the mascara will balance it out.
I told Holly, I said, I hope you stay home today. I said, you're gonna be absolutely miserable. She's like, yeah. He was like, yeah, maybe I can convince Kyle to come over here and watch the game instead of going to a tailgate. And I was like, yeah, that would be a good idea.
I honestly, like, I don't know how y'all can sit outside for like so many hours.
I don't like tailgating because I'm like trying to dress cute and like I'm just like sweating buckets.
Yeah. I remember the first time I went to a football game. This was just like high school football games. And I wore a t-shirt and shorts, like just a plain t-shirt and shorts. I was like, oh, it's an athletic event. Like, you want to be comfortable because it's hot. And I got there and everyone's dressed cute. And I was like, wait, what? People dress up for sporting events in this heat? Oh, and then like after that, I started dressing up for games. But I don't know how. I don't know why we do it. Like, why do we put ourselves through that hell? Just sit outside for 7 hours. I'm going to use the Milani Blossom Time Rose Powder Blush. This doesn't show up super pigmented on my skin tone, but I kind of like the subtleness of it, and then I'll use another blush on top of it. Just like slight color.
Did you even put foundation on?
No, I don't put on foundation. I just put concealer.
Oh, you don't wear foundation?
Rarely. I thought about bringing it today because since my skin looks awful and we're doing things that I want to look cute for, but then I was like, I'm gonna have this makeup on all day and I don't want to worry about it. But like, I put concealer like all over my face, so it's basically like I put on foundation. This lighting is so good. I should do all my videos in the car, and then I go in another lighting, I'm gonna look like garbage. I don't know any of this is picking up on camera, but it's like a super subtle blush, which I like, but I do want a little bit more color, so I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I think this is a great investment if you'll want a good blush. Oh my gosh, Brandy! She's Snapchatting me filming, and it might go on her story. Oh well, I embarrass myself all the time. Highly recommend this blush. It's so great. I think it's part of the Ulta 21 days sale. Oh, if it is, I might go get it. That's so pretty. See, now you see the color a little bit? This is great. Did you see the eyeshadow palette that I tagged you in? The ColourPop one with Kathleen Lights?
Yeah,
30
I did. Yeah, I did. On Instagram.
Why are they releasing so many eyeshadows? It's so pretty though. It's like different from all the other palettes that I have. And she did a swatch video, and the colors, it's all colors that I don't have.
Yeah.
Can you believe
Sarah,
that?
I bet you do have those
No,
colors.
I looked at it and it was the most beautiful purple I'd ever seen in my entire life. But I'm not buying it.
How much was it?
It's like $39.
Oh, that's not bad. ColourPop isn't that expensive.
Yeah, and it's for
though,
30
is it?
colors. So like you're getting a lot, but I don't need it at this hour because I just spent $45. Oh my, it looks so cool in the light. It's pretty. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to use the butter bronzer for my bronzer. Let me find my bronzer brush. I think that's it for bronzer. Now for highlight. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never tried any Oprah highlighters, but I've heard bomb things about them. And I heard they're really good. So I got during the Ulta 21 days of sale. 21 days of sale? Is that what it's called? Summer? 21 days of summer? I don't know. But during that sale, it's going on right now. They had half off Oprah highlighters, and I was like, I'm gonna go get it. Because I've been using the Maybelline so frequently. Like, Maybelline should just go ahead and sponsor me, because I think I've converted people. Didn't you buy the Maybelline highlight? Mm-hmm. Yep, see? I converted someone. So, like, clearly I should be getting some commission off of this. I'm gonna use this right. The only thing is, since I'm breaking out in like the worst places ever, it's accentuating my breakouts, but that's my breakouts fault and that's my face's fault, not the highlighter's fault. Okay, I like the Rodeo highlighter so far. I think it looks pretty. The only thing is it's accentuating my texture, but that's because I'm breaking out. So, whatever. Now I'm going to take my all-nighter setting spray, wherever it is. Oh, I got a little sample size of Ulta because I buy too many things. I probably just drenched myself in that. I'm going to put on mascara, and that will probably be it. And then I think I'll put on a gloss or something. I'm not sure what lip I want to wear. I don't know if I should do like a gloss now and then like a dark lip later.
Yeah.
Never curled my lashes in the car, so hopefully I don't pull out all my lashes. Oh yeah, the mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express mascara. It is so great. I love this city so much. If I ever end up here, like y'all have to come visit.
I will. I love Atlanta. I think there's so many like things to do.
Yeah, like for every like interest. Like if you want to just be chill, there's chill things to do. If you want to party, there's party things to do. If you want to shop, if you want to visit a museum, like
all
everything.
different foods and like festivals.
Yeah, and a lot of it's free. The only thing is like transportation, which is kind of annoying. It's like I personally don't like driving in traffic.
I thought you said you do like driving.
No, driving in traffic, interstate is fine. It's like I just get stressed out when it comes to parking anywhere in the city.
Yeah, parking stresses me.
Okay, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil and Trophy Wipe to line my lips. I don't know how this is gonna work since I'm driving. Or I'm not driving. Brandy's driving. I'm gonna use Maybelline's, I'm so sorry, my phone keeps tilting and I don't notice it till much later, so I'm sure most of this video is tilted. I'm really sorry if you're like OCD or something. Using the Maybelline Celestial, the Elixir gloss, and it's in the shade Celestial Floral. Maybelline should just need to sponsor me because I use so much Maybelline stuff. Yeah, I think that's basically it. I think this looks good. I'm not wearing this t-shirt. I think I'll take a little video when I change, and that'll be like my big reveal. But for the getting ready part in the car, this is it. So if you want to recreate it and it was easy to recreate, go ahead. I took pretty much as much time as I normally would to do my makeup, so I didn't save any time. There's no hacks here, which sucks because I thought I could do my makeup in like 20 minutes. But yeah, oh my god, we see Atlanta! I will talk to y'all later.